What's up, everyone? My name is Smitty. Welcome back to my channel, Smitty's. Here on Smitty's, we do trucks, travel, and things. Today is going to be a truck video. You heard that right, a truck and travel video, actually, if you want to get technical. In today's video, we're going to be building a bed for my truck camper or tiny home or whatever, van life, whatever. It's very simple, it's very cheap. It cost me a total of $100 for everything: carpet, wood, and nails, and a staple gun with staples. I'm sorry for the lighting. I did film this over a course of 5 days because of my work and daylight savings time. It's only 5 o'clock right now, but as you can see, what's up, everyone? So I went out and did a thing. If you read the title of this video, you probably know what it is. I did a thing to my 2020 F-150 with the 5.0 liter V8. Can anyone guess what I did? Put a camper shell on it. It was a little pricey. It was a little excessive, but I got it exactly how I wanted it, and I don't regret my decision. All right, here's the inside. In a previous video, I showed my bed rug. It's very simple. It just goes in with Velcro, but it actually blends really well with the new carpeted headliner. It's a little off in the daylight, but you can't really notice it unless you're staring. It is carpeted, like I said. I got the cargo hooks. I also got the cargo net. The front window pops out. It was free, so I was like, yeah, why not? Just throw it in there. I'll show y'all how that works right now. All right, so this is how you take the window out. There's a little latch right here. I don't know if you can see it, it's really dark. You pull that down, and you pull this latch right here down. Then you grab on, and you kind of like shimmy it up a little bit so you can get your hand in there. And you just pull it down, and then lift it out. Now there is no window. This is the back glass on my truck, which I have a video coming up replacing this window. Stick around and watch that video. To put it back is just exactly the opposite. You put it on this little track right here on the bottom. The track goes on the track. You put it on the track just like that, and then you kind of give it a pound. Don't go gorilla on it, just enough to knock it in there, and then lock the two little T-handles. And there you have it. I really like the camper shell, and I really love the bed rug. I'd 100% recommend it. But let's get to making this bed. Let's get to it. Yeah. Here is the floor down. After I cut out around the tire, around the back, I left about a 1-inch gap so the tailgate can close. As as you can see. Such a nice tight fit. What's up, guys? So here's the finished product. The bed's 6.5 or 6.6 feet long. It is a slide out. I didn't carpet the inside. It's like 5 foot. And then at the back, I'm gonna make that open from the inside. So like that. This is all from one sheet of wood. Exactly one sheet of wood. I had Lowe's cut the big pieces. I used a template along the wheel wells. Yeah, it's really easy, guys. Anyone can do this. This isn't even great work. This is mediocre work. That's like 5 pieces right there. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. I was piecing this dang thing together. I also put it on wheels. You see those wheels right there? Right there. Those are skateboard bearings. Skateboard bearing. I only put 3 of them. And then there's the other skateboard bearing. The back is gonna be stationary. I ran out of time and Lowe's closed before I can actually get the hinge. All right, everyone, this is where I need your help. I can't decide if I want the big drawer that I just showed you or this setup, which I've had previously in my last truck. There's 5 drawers. If you're interested, I found them at Target. Yeah, they're really nice. I just think this is a cleaner setup. It's lighter because not all that wood is being carried by my truck, which will give me better fuel economy. And you also have this cubby space back here that goes all the way back. As you can see, the bar that supports it. And this is just my dirty clothes. Usually this is where my camera tripod will sit too. Leave a comment below for the drawer slide or storage cubes. Hopefully y'all can help me decide. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What's up, everyone? So I wanted to make a quick little video and show you the final product. I know the lighting's been bad in most of the scenes, but daylight savings time has been kicking my butt. I want to do a quick little walk around of the final product. Hope you like it. Leave a comment on any changes that you would do or any products that you would buy or something that you do different than what I did. All right, so like every other video, you got to start at the front. Got it all opened up for you. Here's the camper shell. It has a slider on the top, and then it opens all the way up. I'll show that to you in a second. Here's the inside. Not much has changed on the inside, except for everything. No, I'm just kidding. So I got my shoes up there. I made a little platform right here in the center, and then a little shelf back there. I don't know if you can see that. It runs all the way across from wall to wall. I got jackets back there, tools back there, my cooler, and the towel and some miscellaneous over there. All right, so this is how you actually open them. You turn these little T-handles, turn it up, make sure they're not locked, turn it up, and then open it up. It's a little pass-through for the inside. And then here's the slider right here. It's really tight because it's brand new. You see, as you can see, it has a little screen in there. I gotta grease that up. And then you turn it, put the key in, lock it, turn it, put the key in and lock it. So now it locks. All right, so here's the back. The blanket is way too big for the bed. That's why I have it folded like 50 times. Here's the storage office that I went with for right now. And it's really easy to make. I went to Lowe's and got them to cut it to this width. I think it was 32 inches from the wall to the end here. The same on the bottom. I had them cut it in half by 75 inches. That's how big the bed is. I left a little bit of bed here so I can close the tailgate just in case. And then the carpet, I just cut it to length, laid it across, and then stapled it underneath. Stapled it underneath, stapled it underneath. It's really not hard at all. And the poles, I just got this piping I got from Lowe's. Carries the majority of the weight. The trusty pee bottle. And this is what I've been working on for the last few days. It's not the prettiest and it's not done. I kept running out of wood, so I was piecing stuff together to make it look halfway decent. I'm gonna crawl in here and show you what's going on. All right, this back one, this back side, it has a little cubby here for like a little side table or end table at nighttime, bedside table. Put my phone, put my wallet, put my keys. Put a little latch on it. That's not the finished product. It's just something to keep it closed. And here has my propane. It's really, really tight. That hose runs all across the bottom. You take off this panel right here. It runs all the way across the bottom into this one, which this isn't done either, but this is holding my heater for the wintertime. I'm gonna mount it to this door, but I needed a 90-degree fitting for that fitting right there. Because if I put it on the door, then I can't close the door because of the hose. But it's not done yet, but it's close enough. Right here in the center is another option for storage. Made a little flip top. Got a sleeping bag and pillow in there right now. There's more room, it's just I spread it out a little bit. You can see all my defects if you were actually here. Actually, you might be able to see in the video. I don't know. Yeah, the bed is a 4-inch memory foam. I bought a cot size fitted sheet to fit it. And this is for a queen bed. That's why it's folded over like 10 times. The cubbies are pretty much the same from my last video. The first one is shirts and socks, pants and underwear, military stuff, electronics, and a miscellaneous drawer. But right now it has a towel in it. Yeah, that's the setup. I really like it. There is a little bit of storage under here. It runs the length of this 75 inches. I have some cold weather stuff in the back there that I don't really use until it gets like less than 20 degrees Fahrenheit outside. I keep my dirty laundry right here in my tripod and bunch of different stuff that I don't really use very often. But yeah, tell me what you think. Again, it's not the prettiest work of art, but it suits my needs very well. Well, there you have it. My truck, camper, setup, tiny home, whatever you want to call it, van life. Yeah, it's pretty much done at this point. I just got to do some finishing touches because it's kind of ugly, and I'm thinking about wrapping it in carpet. That cabinet on the other side. I made window coverings. I don't know if you saw it in the back, but I didn't really show it because it's not the prettiest, but it got the job done. I used curtains from my old apartment, and I just stapled Velcro around the edges and then stuck it to the carpeted headliner. If you like what we do here, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like what we do here, give it a thumbs down. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comments, because I'd really love to know what y'all think. If you're new here and you want to be part of our family, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then the little bell beside it, it'll actually notify you when I put out a new video. I try and put out a video every Saturday at 8 o'clock, but sometimes my schedule don't conflict, and with daylight savings time, it's harder to make videos because I always run out of daylight. But yeah, see you on the next one.